If you're a woman buying a home after divorce here in Omaha, one of the next questions you may be asking is, what documents do I actually need to have ready before I start the process? Because when you know your price range that is safe, then the next step is to begin to get organized so that you can move forward with clarity and avoid the unnecessary stress. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key documents that many women need after divorce, especially if life, income, and financial responsibilities have changed. This will help you prepare wisely and avoid delays when it's time to speak with a lender and begin looking for homes here in Omaha. Number one, proof of documents. Recent pay stubs and W-2s, tax returns, and sometimes additional income documents. If you receive child support, alimony, and you plan on using that income to qualify, your lender is going to need additional documentation for clarity. This is one reason preparation matters so much after divorce. Your financial picture may look different now, and having the paperwork organized can make the process move smoother. Number two, bank statements and asset information. You will likely need to provide recent bank statements and information about funds available. Down payments, closing costs, reserves are also needed with proof, so have that documentation prepared as well. This is important. Listen closely, because buying a home is much more than just a payment. It is also necessary to show that you can provide the funds necessary for the upkeep of the responsibility required as a homeowner. Look, if money was divided during the divorce or accounts changed, make sure what you are using is clear, documented, and easy to explain. Number three, divorce-related paperwork. This is a major one for women buying after divorce. Understand that everybody's situation is different, and with your unique situation, the lender is going to need to review the documents connected to the divorce decree, separation agreement, documentations of support obligations, or any support received, and also property settlement details if relevant. This is not to make your life harder. Listen, this is part of understanding your current legal and financial picture. Having these documents accessible can save time and reduce frustration later. Number four, identification and housing history. You will also want to have the basics ready, such as driver's license or other identification. Recent housing history, landlord information if you are currently renting, and addresses from the past couple of years if requested. When these things are in order and prepared before time, you can avoid the delays that will occur when these things are not in place. Preparedness is peace. 5, have a simple document folder system. Yes, one of the wisest things you can do is create one folder, digital or physical, where you keep everything in one place. That might include income documents, bank statements, divorce paperwork, questions for your lender, and notes about what monthly payment feels safe. Yes, ma'am. Yes, indeed. This will help you feel grounded and clear, especially if in this season you already feel emotionally heavy. If you are a woman rebuilding after divorce here in Omaha. This channel exists to help you make wise housing decisions step by step so that you can move forward with clarity and less pressure. If we have not met, I'm Lynetta Anderson, your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate here in the Omaha area. I serve women navigating home buying decisions after divorce. Beautiful blessing, my goal is to provide steady guidance so that you can move forward wisely in this next chapter of your life. I realize getting documents together is not the most exciting thing in life to do, but listen here, it is one of the strongest ways to help you prepare well. When you are organized, you ask better questions, you avoid unnecessary delays, and you step into the process with confidence. This kind of preparation helps to turn a stressful process into a stable one. Beautiful blessing, if this has helped you, make sure you watch the next video in this series where I walk you through what can delay your home loan approval after divorce so you can avoid surprises before going too far into the process. Now that you understand what documents to gather, the next thing is to understand what can slow the process down or create problems with your approval. In the next video, I'll walk you through what can delay your home loan approval after divorce so you can avoid those issues early. Click here and watch that next.